Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front outside door handle on this 2004 Dodge Stratus, same as any 01 to 06. Tools you'll need for this repair: a small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a putty knife for a door panel clip tool, just some kind of flat tool to pry out on the door panel itself, and then an 8mm socket with a ratchet and extension. I use a small flat blade screwdriver, and down in the pull cup here, pry up a little trap door. There's a Phillips screw in there, and then in behind your door handle, there's another Phillips screw in there, and then there's 3 Phillips screws, one there, there, and then one on the back edge here. Okay, just going to fast forward as I use a Phillips screwdriver and remove 6 screws in all. Okay, this triangle up here can just pull out. All you need is a putty knife. Kind of get down in behind the door panel here, slide it down, pull it out, and start to pull the pins. And then the door panel comes up. Right here is your lock harness. The little button, press on that, disconnect. Okay, on your latch rod, there's a clip. Just going to reach in behind with my finger. Pull that clip off, and the rod comes up and off. And then lastly, down here, is your window harness. There's a button right in the middle. You really got to push that button and then work the harness out. Okay, and your door panel's off. Once your door panel's off, you want to check these aqua clip pins here, because there could be pins stuck inside them. Use a pair of needle nose pliers, pull the pins out, and then reinstall them on the inside of your door panel. And I'm showing this in kind of fast motion here, but you do want to carefully pull back your water shield. You want to avoid ripping it, as this does provide sound deadening as well as protection from water and stuff for the inside of your vehicle. Okay, I'm going to go inside the door here, and then you can see. Let's see. You can't see. There's the rod, a little red clip on it. Okay. Reach in. Push that clip off. Pull the rod out. Same thing, reach around, put that clip off, and take that rod out. And now there's an 8mm bolt right there, and then one you go in at an angle and get right there. Okay, you'll need an 8mm socket with an extension and a ratchet. Okay, here's our old handle, a new handle from 1A Auto. We sell both the smooth that you can paint to match the car as well as the textured. You'll want to switch your latch rod and your lock rod. The latch rod is just like the bottom. Flip that clip off. Okay, pull it out. Put it into your new handle. And put the rod on. To swap over the latch, take a small screwdriver and pry that clip out. Your latch comes right out. Okay, take your new handle and take your latch, your new handle. You might need to pry out on this clip a little bit, get it to come out. Okay, clip it in. Make sure you push the retainer all the way back in. Okay, now it goes back in. Okay, as you're putting it in, make sure you push this rod back behind the window channel. Okay. And you pretty much just kind of put it up and in. And it clips into place. Okay, now I'll just take my bolt, my extension socket, and the flashlight shining up in there. Okay. Get started. Same thing here. Shine the light up underneath. Put the bolt in and get it started. This rod, you kind of have to pull down a little bit on your mechanism and then push the rod in and then reach in and lock it on. Okay, we'll just take this, just stick it back a little bit. Make sure our door is unlocked. Okay, and put our water shield back in place, and we're ready to put the door panel back on. Put your door panel back on. First, reconnect your power window switch. Make sure it clicks. Bring it close. Reconnect your power door locks. Okay. Take this rod, put it into the hole, and slip the clip right around, flip it on. Okay, make sure your lock goes through. There is a large locating tab, goes into a big hole. Once you've got that, make sure your pins go in. Cheat back, make sure all the pins go in correctly. Okay, and now it's just a matter of replacing all the Phillips screws. Okay, so we'll speed up as we replace all those screws. And there was one down in the door cup, behind the door panel, 3 at the bottom,
and then one at the back. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.